set the GLS on an L120 series actuator, it's best that you use a battery drill with a Phillips extended screwdriver and set the torque on the battery drill to its lowest possible setting, and a flat blade screwdriver. Okay, the intermediate shafts on a GLS are these four here. This one is for the open or counterclockwise in this particular case. This is the closed or clockwise. This is intermediate 2, which is adjacently closed and can be set any point between open and closed, or even on an over travel situation for a final limit. And this one is the intermediate 2. They are adjacent, the cams, as they are labelled. The internal gearing is disengaged by depressing this screw here and turning, which disengages the gear in the bottom to allow you to adjust any of these and just re-engage when that pops back up. The first thing to do if you want to set a close limit is check when the actuator moves to close what direction the four shafts turn. These are running clockwise towards close and the switch is already made. So when you get to the closed position, to adjust that switch, depress the central screw and quarter turn. That disengages the gear system. Because it's already switched and it was running clockwise, you will turn this one counterclockwise till it resets the switch again, and then go back to clockwise till the switch is activated. Once that part has been set, return the screw back and ensure the central gear pops back, which it has in this case. That's set the close. Now to set the open, you would move the actuator to the open position. Once you're satisfied of the position it is in, again depress the quarter turn to disengage the internal gearing. The switch has not turned, so we go in the same direction that it was going, counterclockwise, and run that until we reset the switch. It's just tripped there, and we're back, and then slowly till the switch triggers. Again, release to re-engage the gearing. As you can see, the central gear has not popped back. Just tweak the screw with a screwdriver and it should spring back and the switch has been set. You can set the intermediate 1 and 2 in the same manner at any desired position you want within the stroke.